My people, serious kasala don burst oh, hey. As we are thinking that things is going to get better today or tomorrow, you see that things are getting more serious and more worse. Hey. Regina Daniel doesn't want to play this time. Hey, VDM will tell you don't play or you learn the hard way. Reggie, you're not playing at all. Oh. Anyway, guys, I just was like, uh, I like somehow what Regina Daniel is doing. Regina Daniel need to teach this man small lesson, so that in his next word, he will learn how to manage women. Since they push him into marrying young, charming, beautiful young ladies. You marry the first one, or your wife, young, look at you. Just imagine that Regina Daniel's husband is even older than her father. The man yesterday in the video, I don't know whether you watched that video, he said that he's going to celebrate his 59th birthday. The last time yesterday I heard the video. And how old is Regina Daniel's husband? Kai, for this life, things are happening, just because of money. Money, go. Kai. Anyway, guys, according to what we are hearing allegedly, we all know that Regina and her husband have been having serious issue. But let me ask this question. Please, if you watch this video, if you're watching this video, tell me, have you known this Ned Nwoko before, if not for Regina Daniel? Have you known him before? Like, is he popular before he married Regina Daniel, or was it after his marriage with Regina Daniel that he became popular? Because some people will tell you that this man is already made. This man have been known in social media. But in short, 95 or 99% of people will tell you that nobody knew him except after he married Regina Daniel. Okay, let's dive into what we are talking about. There is this thing that happened and I was like, Ned Nwoko, you are going to hear another side of Regina Daniel. You thought that you are as you are marrying these women and you will be treating them anyhow. You marry Regina and you want to treat her anyhow, even though she is seen as the youngest among your wives. But she is not going to treat, as she's not going to be taken as the youngest. Yes, her brain is not as young as she is. She got brain there. So according to what we are hearing, Regina Daniel and her husband is having issue. We know that. And Regina Daniel went to her Instagram handle and deleted all the pictures, all the videos that her husband appears there. Guys, this man is seriously missing Regina Daniel. There is nothing like someone who makes you to be popular. Anywhere you go, majority of people will recognize you. People will come and be bowing for you. The last time I heard that when they went to one university like that students were hailing Regina Daniel, and the maid was like greeting them, and they were like, "It's not you, we're not hailing you, it's Regina Daniel." You see, but there's this thing that happened. Regina Daniels used to promote their Aniocha. There's this thing that she used to do, that she used to promote Aniocha, their village. And previously, before this issue started, Ned Nwoko will go and tag Regina Daniel, maybe in social media, just to post exactly what she posted. And there'll be no problem. Regina Daniel will not complain. In short, the way Regina Daniel used to praise Ned Nwoko, if this man knows something, if he knows what is good for him, he shouldn't treat Regina Daniel anyhow. But I don't know whether this one is going to be resolved anyway. I just pray that they resolve it. So this time around, she went and did that her Aniocha promotion of a thing they used to do. Ned went and they collected that picture, that video, and posted in his own Instagram. And do you know what Regina Daniel did? Hey, Regina Daniel want to show this man that you will learn the hard way. Guy, no be smart thing. People were like, hey, Regina Daniel is dying, is not happy. Regina Daniel is feeling it. Do you know who is feeling the heat? The heat is seriously coming to Ned, but you will not know. He's seriously feeling the heat. Okay, you find out this time around that it have been Regina Daniel, Nnedi Nwoko, and Delilah all this time. And you know that it is Regina Daniel that makes Nnedi Nwoko to be popular. Like, this man is being heard is because of Regina Daniel. I don't know. Anyway, so after he went and maybe copied that video and posted in his own handle, Regina Daniel went and blocked him. That is tell you that I don't want anything from you, yourself, your video, your picture, your whatever in my channel, in my page again. So Regina Daniel went and blocked the husband. The time this thing she used to address herself, she used to introduce herself and afam bụ Regina Daniel Nnedi Nwoko. Then this time around it's no longer Nnedi Nwoko. Afam bụ Regina Daniel Nonamaka. You know, she don't talk about Nnedi Nwoko again. Nnedi Nwoko is a past tense in her life. And if you ask me, hey guys, let me tell you what is in my mind. If I am Regina Daniel, I will just be like, let this thing go, because this girl has been missing a lot. I don't know what he will be doing with this old papa. Anyway, let me not go that side. So he went and blocked him. And people were like, hey, Regina Daniel blocked her husband. Regina Daniel blocked her husband. Regina Daniel blocked her husband. What happened? What is happening? Reggie, what is happening? So you are mean, you are serious. And her brother was celebrating her, telling her, thank God my sister, my baby is back. That is, they are happy that the girl is out of that marriage. But what about their children? Because their children be the thing where they there now. What about these beautiful children that God has given her in that marriage? In short, let me tell you, Nnedi Nwoko is feeling the heat. I'm feeling the heat. Oh, I don't know the kinds of song where Two-Face used to sing. Are you feeling the heat? He's feeling the heat right now because he wants Regina Daniel to come back to his life by all means. But the way we are saying things, Reggie is not ready to come back. She doesn't want to come back this time. So guys, as I saw this thing, I was like, this is breaking news. Breaking. Like, this girl, they laugh at all. She's damn serious. Since Laila is there, why do you still want Regina Daniel back? Since you can go out there to get houses for different wife of yours, you will not get even one for Regina Daniel. Why would you want her to come back? Since everything you buy is for the family use, let your other wives use the family properties. Let Regina Daniel move on to her life and do whatever she wants to do with herself. What is this? Guys, tell me, if now you be Regina Daniel, are you not going to do what she did? And you know one thing again, this girl is matured. She is too much and a half matured. She have not come to the social media to tell us that, I'm no longer with my husband though. My husband did this one to me, she did not do this one to me. This girl just kept calm and was doing her own work underground. Now Nnedi go open mouth, go beggar. Even if Nnedi beg himself, if she don't want, she no go want again, because marriage no be by force. Even her mother talk am say marriage too no be by force. You see? So guys, I was like, let me share this one with you so that you know what is happening. Regina Daniel don't block her husband. That is why I said #blockash.com.divorce. Thank you. I love you guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.